We believe that this draft produces useful and practical results concerning the participation of text confers upon Palestine in its capacity as observer similar rights and privileges of participation as those conferred upon member states.
Merci, Monsieur le Président. L'Union européenne, pour sa part, est prête à participer à une telle discussion au sein de notre Assemblée.
To request that the draft not be put to the vote. Further consultations will be pursued on the matter.
The Assembly will therefore not proceed to take action on draft resolution A/52/L53-1 and the amendment contained in document A/52/L59. Of agenda item 37, the representative of Egypt.